Josh Duggar's conviction for child pornography is upheld by a federal appeals court. Josh Duggar, a Republican politician and reality television star from Arkansas, had his conviction for child pornography overturned by a panel of 3 federal appeals judges. In December 2021, a jury trial in Fayetteville found Duggar, a resident of Springdale, guilty of having child pornography. In May 2022, Duggar was sentenced to 12.5 years in prison by U.S. District Judge Timothy Brooks. In February, Duggar's attorneys filed an appeal against the verdict. Duggar's effort to suppress incriminating statements and get a new trial was denied by the 8th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals panel, which rendered its ruling on Monday. Duggar downloaded hundreds of child pornography images to a computer, according to court filings, and law enforcement was able to connect the computer's IP address to an automobile dealership that Duggar owned, upon being presented with a search warrant. Duggar blurted out, "What is this about?" without waiting for an explanation. Has there been any downloading of child pornography? He afterwards claimed, using court records, that he had installed file-sharing software on every electronic device he owned. The panel's ruling indicates that Duggar's trial was impacted negatively by these remarks. Using these remarks as evidence, according to Duggar's counsel, would violate his Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate himself. However, an 8th Circuit panel determined that the statements may be used since Duggar was not at the time under arrest and did not act in a way that would suggest he was. During the trial, Duggar and his legal representatives maintained that he was wrongfully charged. Using the employee's past as a sex offender, they attempted to enlist Duggar's worker at the auto dealership as a witness and accuse him, according to court records. Duggar's counsel claimed in the appeal that the trial ought to be recommenced since the judge rejected their motion, which indicated that the defense was lacking. A panel of the 8th Circuit disagreed. The panel concluded that even in cases when the defense would benefit from unclear or misleading information, the ability to submit a full defense does not supersede the district court's authority to exclude it.